Hello YouTube, this is PJ Airsoft Reviews with Mercenary Airsoft, and today I'll be reviewing the WeTech Gas Blowback Scar. I got this gun from ebike.com for $260. This is basically how the gun came. The packaging sucked. Came with the gun like this, just zip tied down, magazine in there, and the speed loader swirling around. The speed loader holds 15 rounds, and the magazine holds 30 rounds. And yeah, this is a really nice gun. It shoots 350 FPS to 370 FPS. I guess I'll go over the metal and plastic parts. The whole entire lower receiver is ABS plastic, and the stock is ABS plastic. The butt plate is rubber, and it can come off like that. It's nice rubber it's ribbed to get some extra grip on there. And the fire selector switch is plastic, and so is the trigger. The magazine releases, both of them, are plastic, and everything else on this gun is metal. This guy has your basic SCAR features. The 6-point collapsible stock. It's numbered, so you can see what position you're at. The 3-point adjustable cheek rest. That's first and lowest, and it has the collapsible stock. Press this button in, and it folds to the right, and it's very secure. It's not going to come off. The ambidextrous fire selector switch, which is safety, single, and full auto, and on the other side, full auto, single, and safety. Like I said before, the ambidextrous magazine releases. Press that in, and that, and has the flip-up sights, like all their scars do. Also, it has the functioning bolt catch, which you cannot pull back when it's on safety. And that's nice, so that you can adjust the hop up without having to hold the charging handle back. And it has a real stiff spring behind that, so it sounds nice. Also, something that's pretty cool, right here where the gas block is supposed to be, they added a little tool to just assemble the rails and change the barrel. And I'll show you how to disassemble the gun. It's just like the real thing. You press this in, and you pull it on the other side, and it stays there like the real gun, so you won't lose it. And you just pull that out, and that's your whole lower receiver. And you just try not to do that too hard, because first time I did that, I broke that little piece off right there. But they sell aftermarket. That, and then you're stuck. And then you pull out the spring guide. And then you take out the bolt. And then the gas chamber. And when you reassemble it, I'll show you that you put this in. Upside down. When you put this in, you can change the side that the charging handle is on. Before it was on this side, and it's going to be on this side now. So just putting that in there, sliding that forward, and then you put the spring guide back in, and you push it down and slide the stock back on. put this side in first. When you're putting this back on, you have to push kind of hard, like. So I can use the magazine as armor. Now it's back on. Sometimes it's really easy to put it back on, but sometimes it's very hard. Let's put this back in here. And then, yeah. Every gun has its own unique serial number. Right there, that's the serial number. Mine is 000559, which means that it's the 559th made ever. When you first get this gun, you're gonna want to disassemble it and put silicone oil in the gas chamber and in the O-ring of the magazine right there. And yeah, and I guess we'll do the shooting test now. Wait, one more thing. Unlike other guns, this gun has the real M4 grip, like has the thinner one, opposed to AEGs that have the motor housed in the handle. So it's gonna have a thinner one, and it's also hollow. Now, I guess I'll go over the magazine. Holds 30 rounds, and when you first get it, it's gonna, see how that's popping up right there? That's what keeps, when you're out of BBs, that keeps the charging handle back, so you know you're done. But when you first get the magazine, it's not gonna be up. You're gonna have to, it's gonna be down, like that, because this little switch, you have to just push that forward and it will go up again. And to fill it with green gas, you have to just basic green gas filling, just like 5 or 6 seconds. And I guess we'll do shooting test now. So yeah. Here we go. We're gonna show you how to load the thing, the magazine. Came with the speed loader. It marked 5, 10, and 15. One above the little line is how many. So like right there, it's 15. That's above the line. You just put the end on there, like that, and you just push them in until you can't push anymore, and now it's loaded. So let's get the shooting test. Alright, so I'm gonna do 10 shots on single, and I'm just gonna do and then I'll do 20 on full auto. 2. And I'll do a full auto. It's gonna be pretty awesome. That's pretty cool. Well, that was the review of the WeTech gas blowback SCAR, the green gas version. There is a CO2 version with the CO2 magazine. I would definitely suggest getting the green gas over the CO2, because if you get the CO2 one, the recoil on it will break the stock. Like, it will shatter, this whole area will shatter because of the recoil. And other thing, on the magazine, never press that button to unload your gas, because it will break the O-ring in the gun. And I got this gun off of e-bike for $260. The magazines are $40, which is sort of a rip-off. But yeah, that's the gun.